Welcome to Billionise, where we explore the latest financial news and provide insights on how to turn that knowledge into wealth. Today, we're talking about Goldman Sachs and the not-so-surprise earnings miss that could potentially be a symptom of a looming recession for banks in 2023. Goldman Sachs, one of the biggest and most powerful banks in the world, announced their earnings for the fourth quarter of 2022, and the results were not what investors were expecting. The bank reported earnings of $3.32 per share, missing the $5.4 billion estimate by a significant margin. This caused the stock to drop by nearly 6% in after-hours trading. So, what does this mean for the future of Goldman Sachs and the banking industry as a whole? It's important to note that this earnings miss isn't just a Goldman Sachs problem, it's an industry-wide issue. Many of the big banks have reported similar results, indicating that there may be a deeper problem at play. Some experts believe that this is a sign of a looming recession. Banks are often seen as a bellwether for the economy, and their struggles can be an indication of trouble ahead. With the economy already showing signs of weakness, the bank's earnings miss is adding fuel to the fire. But, as investors, it's important to remember that a recession isn't necessarily a death sentence for your portfolio. In fact, it can be an opportunity to make smart moves and potentially even profit. First, it's important to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. If you have a significant portion of your portfolio invested in the banking sector, it's time to reevaluate and consider spreading your investments across different industries. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Keep watching to learn how to use this information to make smart moves financially as an investor, and discover the alternative options available to you during a recession like digital gold. Second, consider investing in defensive stocks. These are companies that tend to perform well during a recession, such as utilities, consumer staples, and healthcare. These companies may not have the same growth potential as more risky investments, but they can provide a level of stability during turbulent times. But that's not the only option for defensive investments. Stay tuned to learn about the new ways you can protect your wealth during a recession. Third, consider investing in bonds. Bonds are often considered a safe haven during a recession. They provide a steady stream of income and can provide a level of stability for your portfolio. But bonds are not the only safe haven investments out there. Keep watching to learn about the digital alternative that's gaining popularity. But we also want to mention an alternative option for those who are looking for something different: Bitcoin. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold, and has been gaining popularity in recent years. It's a decentralized digital currency that operates on blockchain technology. Bitcoin has a limited supply and its value is determined by market demand. It has been known to be volatile but has also shown to have a positive return on investment over time. While it's a highly speculative investment and not suitable for everyone, it can be a great option for those who are looking for a hedge against inflation and a diversifier in their portfolio. So, whether you choose to invest in gold or Bitcoin, or both, it's important to do your own research and invest wisely. As always, consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. So, while the Goldman Sachs earnings miss is certainly cause for concern, it doesn't mean that all is lost. As investors, we must always be ready to adapt and make smart moves in order to protect our wealth and potentially even profit during a recession. And remember, this is just the beginning of the story. Keep watching Billionise as we continue to explore the latest financial news and provide insights on how to turn that knowledge into wealth. Thanks for watching.